Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode. You guys, I want to quickly share with you how you can make that boneless chicken sauce. Okay, so here I have some chicken breast. Okay, so I used my kitchen towel to dry out the water. All right, so after that I am quickly going to cut this. All right, and I'll cut at the middle, okay, and make a butterfly shape. All right, okay. So after that, I am going to shred, not too tiny. So after shredding, I am also going to cut again into a dice shape. Okay, so guys, after that, I'll place that in a bowl, right, and I'll repeat the same process again until I am done, right? As you can see, you guys, the shapes are okay, but if you can't get an even shape, just cut it anyhow. Okay, you don't have to be perfect with this, right? So that was done. I am going to marinate this. So here are my spice and herb I'm going to use for this. I used oregano, paprika, salt, curry, chicken seasoning, chicken powder. Okay, so after mixing that together, poured some of it into the chicken. Okay, so I'll stir quickly, mix thoroughly, okay, so that the seasoning will cover the whole chicken. Okay, so guys, if you can use your hands for this, feel free. Okay, so I will cover this and I'll place in my freezer for 40 minutes. Okay, so 40 minutes later, I have my pods and my vegetable oil. So I am going to fry this, okay, until it starts to brown, right? Not fully golden brown, but when it starts to brown, yes, we'll know that our chicken it's ready. Okay, so guys, just continue stirring so it doesn't burn. Okay, and don't forget, this heat has to be on a medium heat, not too low, not too high. Okay, on a medium heat. So after that, as you can see, the chicken was starting to brown, so I took it off from the oil and I'll set this aside. All right, so I was done with that. I went with my red and white onion. Okay, so I sauteed for a minute before adding in my grated ginger, and yeah, I have some tomato paste which I'm going to mix thoroughly to combine. Okay, and here is the leftover seasoning I used for marinating the chicken. All right, so I mixed that together. So I covered for 3 minutes. Yes, 3 minutes. Okay, so 3 minutes later, I poured in my tomato, roughly blended. As you can see, it's not smooth, roughly blended. So tomato and 2 habanero, okay, peppers. So I checked for taste and I added some chicken seasoning powder and some salt. I covered for 5 minutes. So now I poured in the chicken breast which I fried earlier. Okay, so you guys, funny enough, this is it. You don't need too much. Okay, so at this point I covered again for another 2 minutes. Yes. All right guys, so we are ready and the sauce is ready to be served. So I had this with some pasta. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section what you like to have with this. Okay, if it's rice, if it's yam, if it's beans, if it's bread, anything. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, you are welcome, and for our existing subscribers, thank you for always watching our videos. Okay, and I will see you on my next. Okay, bye.